Good enough for a movie.
True story about campers who once lived together for a week. All of a sudden, ended up later. It would be in the Lifetime original.
That makes you happy, huh? To appear on Lifetime.
My lifelong dream.
Oh yeah.
Those are good. There's some good movies on there. Like when the parents were addicted to heroin and then the baby.
They're so cheesy.
They're so
melodramatic.
It was so
That's my
sad.
issue with Lifetime.
Alright, here's the whole story. Nicole and Bruce get married.
Yeah.
And they have 5 kids.
Woohoo!
And then they come down and visit me in South America because I'm working at the embassy as a big old diplomat-like person. I'm all like important. And then Amanda's now working at a clinic in South America as a doctor, but she gets sued for malpractice. So Lori actually goes into law practice with Nick Klein. So Lori and Nick come down to represent Amanda in court.
And they'll fall in love with each other in a South American romance.
Wait.
Who bought this West Nile?
My kid's dance teacher.
Yeah.
Who?
Thea's a dance
See, okay. Wait, who fell in love in a South American romance?
Lori and Nick Klein.
Oh,
Lori
Nick.
and Nick.
Right,
And
third person Lori.
Thea's a dance teacher, and the other Nick is a pastor.
The other Nick's a pastor.
He marries me, Nick Klein.
Other Nick? Which one is other Nick?
Jim's friend?
Nick. Jimbo Nick.
Jimbo.
Nick Groninger.
Okay.
And then Jim makes a movie.
I didn't realize there were 3 Nicks until today.
Is that
Wait, there's 3?
Klein, Groninger, and the guy with the vibes in the back around.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Nick's a pastor at the clinic.
Which Nick again?
AKA Ryan the hot lifeguard.
Ryan the hot lifeguard. First of all, he's a dude. And second, he has a girlfriend. Hello. People in boy bands don't, advertise the fact that they have girlfriends because they want it public. He doesn't need a he doesn't need a public. Second of all, that was my second point. Third, the girlfriend is totally sane and rational, so I don't know why she's with I just don't get it. Like, I know her from school and I'm like, what are you doing? So what are you doing? So I'm just waiting for her to get sick.